In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Mailchimp subscribe form to your WordPress site using a full 2025 guide. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Mailchimp account, which you can do by heading over to Mailchimp.com, sign in, and ensure that you have an audience or list already created. This will be crucial later when you are connecting to WordPress. Also, don't forget about getting your API key. This is essential for linking Mailchimp with WordPress. Once you're in Mailchimp, click on your profile icon, navigate to Account, then Extras, and finally, API Keys. Here, click on Create a Key. Once the key is generated, make sure to copy it because you'll need it in just a bit when you are setting things up in WordPress. Do keep this API key private, as it's your secure connection between the platforms. Now we're going to install a Mailchimp integration plugin. For simplicity and ease of use, the Mailchimp for WordPress or MC4WP plugin is a great option. To do this, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once there, go to Plugins and click Add New. Search for Mailchimp for WordPress, and when it appears, click Install Now, followed by Activate. With the plugin activated, it's time to connect WordPress to Mailchimp. In your WordPress dashboard, go to MC4WP and then Mailchimp. Here, paste the API key we copied earlier and make sure to save your changes. You should see a success message, something like connected to your Mailchimp account, confirming everything is set up correctly. Next, let's add the form to your site. You have a couple of options here. Using a shortcode is a straightforward method. You'll find the shortcode at the top of your form page. It looks something like MC4WP form ID 03. You can paste this shortcode into a WordPress page or post, or you can pop it into a text widget in your sidebar or footer. Customize the form design to match your website's branding. You can do this by adding custom CSS through Appearance, then Customize, and additional CSS, or within your page builder. Once the form is added, it's time to test it. Head to the page where your form is located, enter a test email, and hit subscribe. Then hop over to Mailchimp, go to Audience, and then All Contacts. You should see your test contact there, indicating everything is working perfectly. For increased visibility, consider placing the form in multiple spots on your site, such as your footer, sidebar, or a homepage banner. You can even use it as a pop-up. Mailchimp provides an option for this too. Embedding it on blog posts can attract